Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the dashboard, we can begin looking at the WordPress Editor. The editor is used to edit posts, pages, and other content. At the top of the editor page is the title field, and underneath that you have the content section. These are the two most important sections of the editor. These two sections are fixed here, but you can move around the other boxes on the page by clicking and dragging on the top bar of them. If you click the Screen Options button in the top right, you can hide or show a few of the other screen options of the editor or change the layout style of the screen. If you've ever used a text editor before, such as Microsoft Word, you'll already know how to use the editor in WordPress. You can choose different styles for the font or format the text using the buttons at the top. You can simply highlight words and click these buttons to apply the format. You can also create bulleted lists by hitting the bullet list button. Using the block quote button will create a block quote of the highlighted text. You can also choose how to align the text as well, such as left, center, or right. You can also create links, which is done by highlighting a word or a group of words and choosing the hyperlink button. This hyperlink is customizable by clicking the gear icon to reveal more options. Using this method, you can easily add links to your existing content on your site. In this menu, you'll see a button that says Open Link in a New Tab. The Open Link in a New Tab button will open this hyperlink in a new tab in your browser when clicked. At the bottom of this Insert Edit Link menu, you can easily choose different pages from your site to be linked to. To edit links, click or highlight the link and either hit the Edit button or pencil button. WordPress also allows you to add a Read More tag to your text. This will cause a Read More button on your post to appear, which, when clicked, will bring the user to a page where they can continue reading the post. This is great if you want to only have a section of the post displayed on the blog page and have the user click on a button to read the full post. The next button is the Toolbar toggle button. When clicked, it reveals a second line of tools for you to use to format your text. You can see here we have strike through, horizontal line, and text color, which will allow you to change the color of the text. The next button will allow you to copy and paste in text from somewhere else without any of its formatting. After that, we have the Remove Formatting button, the Special Symbol button, indent buttons, and undo and redo buttons to undo and redo the changes you might have made. Finally, we have the keyboard shortcuts section, which you can view to see some of the keyboard shortcuts of the editor. The WordPress editor also has a writing mode located here. When clicked, you can edit the post without any of the other distractions on the page. At the top of the editor window, we have two tabs, Visual and Text. The Visual tab is essentially the preview mode to see what the text will look like. The Text tab is where we can see what code is being placed onto our page. You can toggle back and forth as you please. And that was a brief overview of the editor. Once you've familiarized yourself with the editor, you'll be able to create content across your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.